lesson, The Shepherd's Treasure. There are two main characters in this lesson, the shepherd and the king. And this lesson throws light upon subhuman values like wisdom, honesty, humanity, etc. In this lesson, we will learn that how by following such human values, an ordinary shepherd become a governor of big district. So let's start the lesson. In ancient days, there was a shepherd lived in Iran. बहुत पुराने समय की बात है, बहुत पुराने टाइम की। ईरान में एक गरीब गड़रिया, गड़रिया means shepherd means the person who have cattle, जो भेड़ों को चराए, जो जानवरों को चराए, उसको गड़रिया बोलते हैं। And the shepherd was too poor that he did not even have a small house to live. इतना गरीब था, एक छोटा सा घर भी नहीं था उसके पास रहने के लिए। And because of the less numbers of the school, he could not go to school and couldn't learn properly how to read and how to write. In spite of his poverty and illiteracy, he was very wise. He could understand, he was unable to understand the problems, pains and sorrow of the people, and he often used to solve their issues with his wisdom and courage. पढ़ा लिखा नहीं था, गरीब भी था, बट वो इतना बुद्धिमान था कि लोगों की समस्याओं को चुटकियों में सॉल्व कर दिया करता था। People used to come to him for his solution, for his suggestion, etc. Because of this ability, the shepherd became popular. बहुत फेमस हो गया, and his popularity reached the king of the kingdom. और जो उसकी प्रसिद्धि थी, जो उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी थी, राज्य के राजा तक भी पहुंची। And the king thought of meeting him. राजा ने सोचा कि भाई ऐसे आदमी को तो मिलना बनता है। One day, the king dressed himself as a shepherd. उन्होंने भी गड़रिये के जैसा भेष बनाया, and by hiding his true identity, he went to meet the shepherd. After some time, he reached the cave on a mule. Mule means small hill. As the shepherd saw the king coming to him, he got up and welcomed the king. The shepherd brought the traveler inside his cave and offered him food and water. अपने गुफा के अंदर ले गया, खाने पीने की व्यवस्था की। The king stayed there whole night, and he was very impressed with the wisdom and intelligence of the shepherd. बहुत प्रभावित हुआ उसकी बुद्धिमत्ता से, उसके ज्ञान से। Next day, although the king was still very tired, he decided to leave from the place the very next morning. अगले दिन हालांकि बहुत थका हुआ था राजा, लेकिन फिर भी उसने सोचा कि अब मुझे यहाँ से चलना चाहिए। And he expressed his gratitude to the shepherd for his warm and friendly reception, and he seeked his permission to leave the place. उसने गड़रिये से परमिशन मांगी वहां से जाने के लिए। The shepherd smiled and by saying "Your Majesty," it means the shepherd recognized who was another shepherd. गड़रिया पहचान गया था कि ये जो shepherd आया है, shepherd नहीं है, ये राजा है। In the disguise of a shepherd, गड़रिये के भेष में आया है। And he expressed his gratitude to give him a chance to serve the king of the kingdom. और उसने कृतज्ञता प्रकट की कि आपने मुझे अपनी सेवा का एक मौका दिया। The king is impressed and he thought that actually the shepherd was very wise and the person like him must be in my court. उसने सोचा कि ऐसा बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति तो मेरे दरबार में होना चाहिए। Next day the king called shepherd and made him a governor of a small district. अगले दिन उसने शेफर्ड को बुलाया और एक छोटे से जिले का गवर्नर बना दिया। In spite of all this power and position, the shepherd remained humble and modest. इतनी ताकत, इतनी पोजीशन पाने के बाद भी गणरी के व्यवहार में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं आया। He used to help the poor, the needy, as he did before. वो अभी भी लोगों की मदद वैसे ही करता था जैसे कि पहले। And people also like to come to him. लोग भी उसके पास आना पसंद करते थे and were full of appreciation, और उसकी प्रशंसा भी करते थे। As his popularity spread all over the country, पूरे देश में उसकी चर्चा होने लगी। And the governors of the other states developed a feeling of jealousy. जो और गवर्नर थे उनके मन में ईर्ष्या ने जन्म ले लिया। They went to the king and complained against him that he used to steal money from the tax collected from the citizens. उन्होंने कहा कि जो नागरिकों से टैक्स कर जमा किया जाता है, एक गणरिया उसमें से कुछ पैसे चुरा लेता है and keeps this money in an iron chest. और इस सारा पैसा वो एक लोहे के संदूक में रखता है। Initially, king paid no attention. शुरुआत में तो राजा ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, but after some time he had to do so. उसको ध्यान देना पड़ा। He did not believe that the shepherd might have some iron chest. उसको विश्वास नहीं था कि उसके पास कोई iron chest होगा। He called the shepherd in the court. उसने shepherd को दरबार में बुलाया। Next day, the shepherd came on his camel. अपने ऊंट पे बैठ के आ गया। And his iron chest was tied on the back of the camel. जो उसका आयरन चेस्ट, जो लोहे का बक्सा, लोहे का संदूक था, वो कैमल के पीछे बंधा हुआ था। King became very angry to see that his belief, his trust was shattered. कि उसका विश्वास चूर हो रहा है। Because he thought that the shepherd could not have a iron chest, but he was still having. उसने सोचा कि इसके पास तो लोहे का बक्सा हो ही नहीं सकता, लेकिन उसके पास तो बक्सा था। He asked the shepherd why he was having this chest. उसने बक्सा क्यों ले रखा है? What was inside the chest? क्या है बक्से के अंदर? The people were very curious to see and find what was inside the chest. सारे दरबारी, पूरी प्रजा बहुत उत्सुक थी कि इसमें है क्या। The shepherd ordered his attendant to open it. उसने अपने सेवक को आदेश दिया कि खोलो भाई इसे। उसने खोला। There was no silver, no gold, no valuable things inside the box. There was only an old blanket. The king surprised and asked the shepherd why he had this old blanket in spite of a new one. एक नया कंबल खरीदने की बजाय उसने पुराना क्यों ले रखा है? The shepherd smiled and said that the old blanket reminded him of his olden days and it forced him to remain the same as he was in the past. उसने कहा कि यही एक ऐसी चीज है जो मुझे एहसास दिलाती है कि मैं अपने अतीत में क्या था और मैं जैसा अपने अतीत में था मैं वैसा ही बना रहूं। That's why I always keep this blanket with me. If you insist me, I could purchase new one, but I can't leave this. मैं इसे छोड़ नहीं सकता। The king became very happy to see the honesty of the shepherd, and he made him a governor of some big district. So, the lesson tells us that if you follow the humanity, honesty, and do works according to your wisdom, you can be a great man in your life. And we must have some human values inside us. Thank you and have a nice day.